What is a ratio? A ratio is a comparison of two things. We might compare number of boys to girls, number of cars to trucks. Whatever we choose to compare can then be written as a ratio. A ratio can be written as A to B, A is to B, or A by B. Look at these pictures. 4 boys and 5 girls would be written as 4 to 5, 4 is to 5, or 4 by 5. The ratio of car is to trucks is written as 45 is to 13. Ratios can be part to part to whole, or whole to part. For example, a class is made up of 14 girls and 15 boys. Part to part means 14 is to 15, which shows the number of girls to boys. Part to whole means 14 is to 29, which shows girls to the class. Whole to part means 29 is to 14, which shows the class to the girls. Ratios are used in business when dealing with money. For example, a business might have a ratio for the amount of profit earned per sale of a certain product. In biology, if the ratios of hormones or enzymes were not in sync, it could result in illness in the organism. The ratio of blood pressure levels to heartbeat are also important in medicine. Division of a given quantity into a certain ratio. Consider a line segment AB of length 9 cm, which is divided into two line segments of length 3 cm and 6 cm, as shown in the diagram. That is, AP is equal to 3 cm and BP is equal to 6 cm. Therefore, ratio of AP to BP is equal to 3 is to 6 is equal to 1 is to 2. Conversely, if we know that the point P divides the line segment AB of length 9 cm in the ratio 1 is to 2, we can determine the lengths of AP and BP as follows. Number of parts is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, length of AP is equal to 1 by 3 of 9 is equal to 1 by 3 into 9 is equal to 3. Length of BP is equal to 2 by 3 of 9 is equal to 2 by 3 into 9 is equal to 6. So, the lengths of AP and BP are 3 cm and 6 cm respectively. Let us see one more example to understand the concept better. 20 apples are distributed between Aaron and Ben in the ratio 2 is to 3. Find how many does each get. Solution. Aaron and Ben get apples in the ratio 2 is to 3. That is, if Aaron gets 2 parts, Ben should get 3 parts. If Aaron gets is equal to 2 by 5 of the total number of apples is equal to 2 by 5 of 20 is equal to 2 by 5 into 20 equals to 8 apples. Similarly, Ben gets 3 parts out of 5 equal parts. That is, Ben gets 3 by 5 of the total number of apples is equal to 3 by 5 of 20 is equal to 3 by 5 into 20 is equal to 12 apples. Therefore, Aaron gets 8 apples and Ben gets 12 apples. We can check our answer by adding the two values. 8 plus 12 is equal to 20, which is the total number of apples. There is another way of solving this problem. called as direct method. Since the given ratio 2 is to 3 and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, therefore Aaron gets 2 by 5 of the total number of apples is equal to 2 by 5 into 20 apples equals to 8 apples. And Ben gets 3 by 5 of the total number of apples is equal to 3 by 5 into 20 apples equals to 12 apples.